Welcome to my lesson about the ellipse tool. I'm going to be using some ellipses in the surfacing course, so I did want to cover some concepts now that I hadn't touched on before. As you know, my first point defines the center point of the ellipse. My second point defines the major axis. And my third point defines the minor axis. Under parameters, we can specify the center of the ellipse, as well as the major and minor radii values. Okay, let's right-click and select to exit the ellipse tool. The parameters that I just defined work as references, but they don't constrain the sketch. I'm able to adjust the major and minor radii freely in space. As well, when we create an ellipse, no relations are created simultaneously, so let's learn how we can dimension an ellipse. Let's select the center point and this point and add a horizontal relation. Now let's select the center point and this point and add a coincident relation. Lastly, let's add dimensions. The major axis will be 100 millimeters. Okay, and the minor, let's make it 50 millimeters. Okay, and we've got our fully defined sketch. This concludes our first of 3 lessons on how to fully define and constrain an ellipse. Next, we'll take a look at the partial ellipse.